Do you want to become a BHPian and have a say in the discussions taking place on the Team-BHP forum? Or start a fresh thread about something you discovered about your car or any other car or have doubts about? In this video, I'll tell you about the registration process to become a Team-BHP forum member without messing it up. But before anything else, you must know not to treat it like a lazy sign-up form. Team-BHP membership is not instant and weak one-line answers can get you disqualified. You can start by simply clicking on the link in the description to initiate the registration process. Before anything else, read the rules carefully and agree to abide by Team-BHP's forum rules. Now listen, you really need to read the rules. This isn't a generic terms and conditions page that you hit next on without actually going through it. Also, you'll get to know why it is important later in the video. Once you've done that, the actual registration form opens up. The form has a total of 3 sections. Section 1 is self-explanatory, so we don't need to dive deep into it. Section 2, however, is where we really try to understand who you are. This is the make or break part of the registration process. You need to fill in how you heard about Team-BHP, the vehicles you own, your city, your interests outside of cars, and what you actually do for a living. But the really critical part is the detailed written responses. Memberships are subject to prior approval by the administrative panel, and they are very serious about the content in these notes. Very, very serious. And you must answer these 3 questions properly. First, why do you want to become a part of Team-BHP? This is not a place for love cars bro, please approve. Write like a serious enthusiast, because that is exactly what we are screening for. Second, which policy from the Team-BHP rules section do you feel is the most vital to the community and why? And this question is the reason why you must read all the rules and policies as I mentioned earlier. Please put your mind to work and actually think about your response. A safe and healthy community environment on the forum is non-negotiable. And third, of all the cars on sale in India, which is your favorite and why? Everybody has an opinion on this and we want yours. But back it up with logic and reason. We love that. Now listen carefully. Do not give one-line answers. Do not use SMS language, slang, or abusive words, because they are the ingredients to the recipe of getting disqualified. Still in section 2, fill in the basic details and choose your privacy settings. Now move to section 3 and select the correct time zone for your location so the forum timestamps display properly. Then choose the appropriate DST correction option. After that, set your email preferences, and once everything is filled in, click complete registration. Please keep in mind that applications are reviewed once every week, so don't expect instant access 5 minutes later. Now let's talk about the benefits of becoming a BHPian. You get to be a part of the community in every sense of the word. Forum members can not only read the official reviews but actually participate in discussions, ask specific questions, start their own threads sharing their experiences, thoughts, and any information they think might be useful. BHPians also get to subscribe to specific threads and get notified of any replies. They also get to directly message other BHPians and have a chat, attend local meetups, and have the opportunity to attend Team-BHP exclusive events like the recent VinFast drive from Greater Noida to Faridabad and back, the Mercedes-Benz Chakan factory visit, the Skoda Octavia RS track day at the Bodh International Circuit, and many more. Sounds exciting, right? That's because it is. So register today. I am Utkarsh Negi. See you on the forum and in the next video.